something funny. How old are you? How old are you?
2.
Yeah.
I'm 29.
That's Rena. You're April 12th.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's take a movie.
What shape is that?
A rectangle.
That's right, a rectangle. And what shape is this?
Rectangle.
What's that?
Letter.
That is a letter, you're right.
What shape is this?
That's a G. That's not really a shape.
Letter.
It's hard to find.
Baby Noah.
Yeah, that's baby Noah.
It's not baby Noah. This baby Noah.
Yeah.
This baby Oliver.
That's right. Who's this then?
Noah.
Is that big boy Noah?
Yes. Cheese.
Jeez.